Hi, this is Geoff down at Trev Deeley. Today we're going to look at the 2024 colors for the Lowrider S. So today behind me we have the new color. This is Red Rock. Red Rock's a really deep kind of brick red looking color. So 2 years ago on this bike it came in the Gunship Gray. This year's Harley-Davidson base color is the Billiard Gray. And of course the Lowrider S always comes in vivid black. Interesting fact, you can't go wrong with black. So we've got Sharkskin Blue this year in this color as well, which is a really cool deep blue. It pops excellent against the black. It's almost reminiscent of a Mako or a Great White. It's something very cool. Keep an eye on our website. All the new 2024 Harley-Davidson models will be rolling in soon.